Hello, my name is Anna Arthid, and here's my justification for the design choices I made when creating this infographic. Throughout the whole infographic, I chose to use a monochromatic color scheme to maintain consistency and to achieve color harmony. And I used green because the main idea is focused around the benefits of plants. Here, with the human cutouts, I use similarity and proximity, which is grouping related design elements together. This shows that each cluster of people belong to one group. This helps the viewer see the proportional differences in a simpler way, and the diagram with the human cutouts is also the dominant focal point, leaving the side text as the subdominant focal point. I use center alignment for this small section of the infographic to help draw attention to it and to build symmetry between the two sections. There are also two icons here to help with visual interest and general clarification. Here, I just added a real-life photograph of water pollution, mainly for visual interest, but also to increase emotional stakes. Plus, this shows the viewer that this is a genuine issue that deserves the attention. Thank you for taking the time to listen.